Have you ever tried to document a condensed period of time in a single journaling spread? This is a fun challenge that lets you really stretch your creativity. And today I want to show you my attempt at it without any overthinking. I pulled a few simple prompts and you'll see how I turn them into a meaningful, creative journaling layout. Hi, my name is Carolyn and I enjoy showing how to use prompts to make creative journaling and scrapbooking pages. If you like making with intention, reflecting as you create, and finishing projects without any pressure, you are in the right place. And welcome. I'm going to design my spread using cards from my Pages in Progress prompt card deck, and I'll show you the specific prompts that I pulled in advance of this filming, and you can follow along in your own journal and create with me. The first card is a theme card, and it's Seasons of Life, Growing Up, Transitions, and Becoming. The theme card sets the tone for your layout. The next card is a story card. Story cards ask a specific question. In this case, it's document a day, week, month, or year in your life. What moments define this slice of now? And finally, I added a technique card. I like to use these when I want a little extra creative punch. I pulled green. So somewhere on this layout, I would use the color green. Now here's the interesting part. How do you use these cards to shape your story? So the Seasons of Life card can be about a significant period of time in your life. Maybe it was a time when you moved from one town to another, or you started a new job, or maybe it was a specific event that made an impact on you. When you pair that with the document a day, week, month, or year story card, you can use that to clarify or narrow down the specifics of the page. And then how does the color green come in? Well, that can be a design choice, or maybe the green is a significant part of your story. So I'm going to think about this and then I'm going to come back and tell you what my choices are. Okay, I'm back. So I decided to carry over the story from the previous pages about a trip to New York City that I made to spend time with friends. The previous spread tells the story of one day, but the spread I'm going to do today is going to tell the story over the course of 4 days. To do this, I decided to draw a calendar week as the centerpiece of the spread. Then I added content around it, photos, blurbs, and embellishments. Now the question is how to use green on the layout. I don't have a lot of green in my stash, but I do have teal, which I think is close enough. So I pulled some blue-green paper and some teal laser cuts, and I also decided to put some stamping on the page. Initially, I was going to use this shuffle style print of my photos, but they were too tiny. So I reprinted them at various sizes to better fit the layout. Next, I filled in the calendar's events with markers and added an illustration of an Amtrak train to signify how I got to New York and back home. Don't laugh at my little train drawing. After adding photo mats in various shades of green, really teal, I chose some of the teal laser cut ephemera to add around the layout. And finally, I wrote a few reflections on the journaling card. Ta-da! A few days of my life compressed into one single page spread. As I mentioned, this spread continues the story from the page before it, and I didn't get a chance to elaborate on the specifics of my time in New York in that page, which is what I really wanted to do here. So this page symbolizes me coming out of my cocoon after a long period of time and reconnecting with my friends. So I wanted to squeeze in as many details about the couple of days as I possibly could. One of the things I really like about this page is the calendar design with the specific photos around each day. I used the journaling spot to respond to the theme card, which mentioned transitions, and the story prompt, how moments define this slice of time. Tell me in the comments, what day, week, month, or year do you think you could document in a 2-page journal spread? If you like working this way, starting with some prompts and then designing your layout, I'll be opening my Pages in Progress deck for order in spring 2026. You can join the wait list in the description to be notified when they're ready. And don't forget to subscribe to my Pages in Progress newsletter for more tips and inspo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.